Alright, so what I'm working on today is some trail maintenance in our woods, and I want to clear, there's this area down here that keeps growing up with brush. It's right in front of one of our box stands, which we're going to be redoing the box stand probably over the summer. But this is like a crossroad right here. We got a trail that goes up to the house. This trail goes to our Pistol Range and then back up to some other trails. This trail goes down to some other tree stands. We're gonna have, not all these trails are connected, and I want to get them all connected because we have a lot. It's a lot of work, and I never make the time to do it. I absolutely love, I could spend days out here just running equipment and clearing trails. It's one of the most enjoyable things I do in the woods, but I just never make time for it. I'm always on other people's jobs and then my full-time work. So today I'm not too tired, I'm off, but I worked last night, so I'm cutting into my sleep, taking a few hours to do something I enjoy. I've been gone for a while and then came back. Every time the wind blows, trees start falling down, and it's like we never did anything. But I want to get all this cleared down here. I'll show it to you. And there's a trail that goes out the back, and it's all grown up, and I got to get it cleared. My skid steer and the brush hog are over in the field. Otherwise, I'd have them down here too, because they'll just blaze a path. But some of the stuff down here is a little bit too big, clumps of trees I'm gonna have to dig out with the excavator, and then I can come in here and brush hog everything with the skid steer is the plan. There's a big tree that fell across here. I might have to get the chainsaw to get through it. I'm gonna try to move it out of the way for now with the Mini, but we'll see. My tracks are in here too, but this is a highway. Deer have been using this pretty frequently. We have a lot of wildlife here. So there was a high hill that if our Ranger was a four-seater, we wouldn't have been able to get over that. It would have bottomed out. So I dug it down and spread it out, just making the trails better. There's like a well here in the woods. I don't know what it was used for. It's a good ways from the house. So there's another trail over here that we're trying to get to connected. Really enjoy clearing the trails. Well, that's it for today. I can't get through this tree with my Mini. I need the chainsaw. We don't have it, and I got to get ready and head to work. So I'll have to come back and saw that up, and then we got about 200 yards to go, and we're back to our road. I don't think there's anything else big across the trail that's going to present a problem. I made this a little bit less steep. It was getting washed out pretty bad, the banks. So I dug it out some. We'll see how it holds up. So this trail is open. I'm gonna clear this area out up here. I'm gonna dig a couple stumps, bring the skid steer, mow all this stuff down, maybe make a parking area for trailers or something. This is where I had firewood before, and it'll remain firewood storage if needed. But all right, here's the trail. I got some low-lying limbs I'll have to come prune, but it's open. again, thanks for watching. Gonna be clearing some more.